Fact number 66. The sun makes a sound, but we can't hear it. The sun may look like a silent ball of fire, but it actually creates sound. These sound waves, called pressure waves, are produced by the sun's turbulent surface activity. However, their wavelengths stretch for hundreds of miles, making them far beyond the range of human hearing. If we could hear them, they would resemble deep, eerie vibrations. Luckily, space is a vacuum, so these sounds never reach Earth otherwise. The sun might sound more like a cosmic drum than a silent celestial body. Fact